Hi, I'm Alexia, and this is just kind of an overview of my portfolio assignment for this semester. I'm still trying to get things sorted out, so this is just kind of a brainstorm, general ideas, but I will be creating my portfolio website from scratch. I'm thinking of using either Wix or WordPress. I've used both of these in the past for an assignment or two, so I'm familiar with them, but not too advanced. So if anyone has any tips or tricks on how to use these or which one you prefer, please let me know. And also, if you have suggestions for a different website to use, please let me know as well. I just want to use this to showcase my skills and the work that I've done, and I'm planning on using this to attach to my resume and with all my job applications. I'm going to link it onto my LinkedIn, and I will also be adding this onto networking emails when I'm trying to make some connections. So for my design, I'm going with this color palette of the warmer pink tones with the simpler neutrals. I feel like it's warm and colorful combined with a sophisticated, simplistic tone. I feel like the pinks and the pop of color represents my fun personality, but still on the warmer end, and the neutral tones just showed my more serious side. So combining these two together, just really inviting and I think overall aesthetically pleasing. I want my layout to be organized and easy to navigate. I feel like I want my organizational skills to be shown through this website and portfolio as well. So I'm thinking of having a couple different sections. One is an about section, just about me and who I am, my portfolio section with all my work, my PR campaign, social media, writing, all that. A resume section that has my resume laid out, and then also where you can download it as PDF as well. And then a contact page with all my contact information and a place for people to leave their contact information as well so I can get connected with people. I am focusing in PR, so all of my work is mainly related to public relations. So if anyone has any ideas for a creative way to upload these campaigns in my work, please let me know. I don't have much experience with photography or videography, but I do want to add a visual component, so I'll probably be bringing these visual components from the internet that just kind of feel flow with my website and the aesthetic that I'm trying to show off. And then ultimately, I just want people to get a feel for my personality through this website and my portfolio, but also so they can see the work that I've done and the skills I have to offer. So, showing my fun side combined with my hard work ethic and my skills. And I just want people who look at this and future employers to become more interested in me and want to get to know me more and see more of my work and potentially create a connection and land a job.